In markets around the world, stock prices fell like dominoes. In Japan, the Nikkei index fell to a 5.5-year low, down 10% after electronics giant Sony cut its profit forecast in half. In South Korea, the benchmark index dropped below 1,000 points for the first time in 3 years. And it didn't take long for European markets to follow suit. London's FTSE index plunged nearly 10% Friday after a new report showed the British economy shrank for the first time since 1992. Treasury Secretary Alistair Darling was quick to respond.
I'm determined we'll do everything we can to support the economy and also to ensure that we have sound public finances. So yes, it's going to be difficult, yes, it's going to be tough, but we will get through it.
German and French markets reported similar drops, while Russian stock exchanges suspended trading altogether. By the time fears of a global recession reached the United States, Dow futures had already fallen more than 500 points, triggering a temporary freeze on trades. Standard & Poor's chief analyst Sam Stovall explains.
Well, there are limits on the futures as well as limits on actual trading. They're called circuit breakers, mainly to, in a sense, stop investors from becoming their own worst enemy by engaging in a cascading panic.
Around the world, the common denominator was fear. Oil fell sharply, trading near $63 a barrel. Despite the decision by OPEC members to cut oil production next month by 1.5 million barrels per day, energy trader Anthony Grisanti says global demand for oil is down sharply.
The reason why we're going down is that demand is completely dried up, and not only in the U.S., but really all over the world. I mean, you have lower economic growth in China, lower economic growth in India. It's certainly no growth in this country. And in the European Union.
Unless demand picks up, some analysts predict oil prices could sink further to $50 a barrel. Stovall says the signs are clear.
We certainly believe that we are already in recession here in the United States and think that the recession will last until May of 2009.
But there are signs of hope. U.S. home resales rose more than 5% last month as falling prices attracted more buyers. Economists say severe problems in the U.S. housing market led to the big losses that sparked the global financial crisis. Arcega, VOA News.